Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a very easy recipe of red velvet cookies with burnt butter. I made it with burnt butter. You don't have to, but it gives it a really nice taste. And also I put white chocolate chips. So as you can see, it's very nice, soft and yummy. The recipe is very easy to follow, and I hope you try those cookies and let me know what you think of them. So first things, I have 250 grams of butter. I'm gonna melt it in a saucepan here, and then I'm gonna leave it to boil for a few minutes until it's become like brown and a little bit of butter is burned on the bottom. And then I'm gonna remove it and leave it to sit down completely until it becomes soft again, like hard again, but like room temperature. As you can see, there's small bits of burnt butter on the bottom. And after it sets, it's still soft. I didn't put it in the fridge, so it's still soft. So I add 300 grams of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna mix it here with the spatula. So I'm not gonna use electric mixer. I'm just using the spatula and the hand mixer. To this I'm gonna add 3 eggs. And with the hand mixer I'm gonna just mix it together. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla powder. I have 400 grams of white chocolate chips. And then I'm gonna add 25 grams of cocoa powder. Just gonna sift it through. And then mix it until combined. And then I'm gonna add the red color. So I have this powder. I'm gonna add a teaspoon, and then I'm gonna add some more after. So if you don't have the powder, of course you can use gel. That's it. When I reach the color I want, I'm gonna add the flour. It's 480 grams of flour, and to it I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and that's it. So I'm just gonna mix the flour all through, and then when it's combined I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes before I make them into balls. As you can see, now I'm gonna put it in the fridge. And then after 30 minutes I have the oven in 200 degrees, and I'm gonna make them to balls. Like you can choose how big you want them. So I'm just gonna cook a few of them, and then the rest I'm gonna make them to balls and then put them in the freezer in a box, like a plastic box or something. And whenever you want to, you can just take the cookies and pop them in the oven. So this recipe made about 20 balls, so 20 cookies, and this is the cookies how it looks like. Thank you for watching. Bye.